Behold the Toyota Emberhorn 6x6, the ultimate fusion of power, luxury, and adventure, a vehicle that doesn't just move, it dominates every terrain with authority and style. Its massive 6x6 frame, aggressive yet sophisticated lines, and iconic Toyota emblem gleam in metallic pearl white and matte black finishes, reflecting light like a beacon of strength and precision. Whether standing tall in a polished showroom, commanding attention on city streets, or roaring across forests, deserts, ice plains, and winding highways, every angle, every panel, and every detail tells a story of engineering mastery. The massive tires grip effortlessly, the reinforced suspension absorbs the roughest terrain, and the carefully sculpted body communicates both raw power and refined elegance. Step inside, and the Emberhorn transforms into a sanctuary of comfort and cutting-edge technology, where the cockpit blends luxury with functionality. The digital instrument cluster illuminates with clarity, intuitive controls sit perfectly within reach, and the Toyota emblem rests proudly at the center of the steering wheel, reminding the driver of heritage, trust, and unmatched craftsmanship. Every pedal, gear lever, and knob has been meticulously designed for precision, while ambient LED lighting highlights textures and surfaces, creating a warm, inviting atmosphere. Beyond the cockpit lies the living cabin, a harmonious combination of practicality and luxury, featuring a compact yet fully equipped kitchen, a cozy sofa, a straight bed with plush pillows and blankets, and a private washroom, all captured in smooth cinematic pans and close-ups that emphasize both utility and elegance. The Emberhorn doesn't just transport you, it elevates the journey itself. Venture outside, and it becomes a companion for exploration, whether parked in a sun-dappled forest clearing, surrounded by towering trees, with camping chairs, tables, and a gently flickering campfire, or gliding majestically over golden desert dunes, frozen icy fields, or winding mountain roads. Drone perspectives and sweeping tracking shots highlight its colossal presence and dominance over the landscape, while intimate close-ups reveal every fine detail, from sculpted headlights and reinforced suspension components to massive all-terrain tires and textured body panels, demonstrating that every inch is designed for adventure, resilience, and beauty. The Emberhorn transforms ordinary journeys into cinematic experiences, combining freedom, comfort, and unstoppable capability, creating moments that are immersive, breathtaking, and unforgettable. Every movement, every frame, every angle celebrates the spirit of exploration, while inside, the luxurious cabin ensures that every adventure is accompanied by comfort, warmth, and style. Toyota Emberhorn 6x6 is more than a motorhome, it is freedom in motion, a home anywhere, a statement of ambition, and a vessel for extraordinary experiences. Whether navigating urban streets, conquering the wildest trails, or camping under the stars in a quiet forest, it invites you to dream bigger, explore further, and embrace adventure like never before. If you enjoyed this journey, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and let us know in the comments where you would take the Emberhorn next. Every road, every landscape, every destination becomes unforgettable with the Toyota Emberhorn 6x6 by your side, built for adventure, designed for life, and crafted to make every journey legendary.